something that you.
Well, hello guys, and welcome back. For this craft, we'll be making baby shirts and socks. I'm making my pattern using cardboard, and I'm roughly tracing the doll. I'm using a card to straighten out the marks. A ruler is preferred, of course. So now that everything is cut out, I'm gonna be sewing the two halves. And we can sew the sleeve. And we're just gonna go all around. Before we start closing it up, I'm gonna hem the sleeve. After you've hemmed both sides, we can start closing it up. I'm sewing from the sleeve all the way down. After you're done, we can flip it inside out. Next, we have to hem the neck. So just slightly fold it, and I'm just going to use a hand stitch. And after you complete the neck, next it's time to hem the bottom. Add Velcro to the back, and I prefer adding a thin Velcro. And that is it. For socks, this white tee should do the trick, but you could use any color. So on the inside, you're gonna have the fabric slightly folded at the hem. So for this, as you're sewing, you're going to be holding it to the doll's foot through the whole process. you might struggle flipping it inside out, so use a pair of scissors or a toothpick to help you out. And there is our sock, everyone. Let's try it out. And it fits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know down below what you thought of this craft. And I will see you guys next time.
Thank you.